What up? Treasure Gnome here. Is Merch by Amazon dead? No. Merch by Amazon is not dead. It's not dying. Guys, if you this frustrates me so much because people find excuses for everything. Stop making fucking excuses. All right, guys? Get out there. If you want change, put in more work. If you're going to bitch about putting in more work, then this isn't for you. To do this business, if you want to call it a business, a side hustle, to upload shirts, this is the sad truth. It's going to take a lot of your fucking time. 40, 80 hours a week. This is not a this is not a process. This is not a business model that is going to pay you an extreme amount of money for the amount of time that you put in. It's not, this isn't what it is. You guys need to first let that sink into your head. If you've been someone complain about this, if you're optimistic, then good. You understand how this is. This is a hustle. It's a fucking grind. Um, you're gonna have to grind to get there. I did that. I grinded hours, countless hours of making freaking t-shirt designs. So over 8,000 designs uploaded to this platform. 800 remain. All right, 867. So just let that sink in for a second. That's not even, that's 10% of the designs that I made are still on there. The other 90%, they're gone. I don't even know if they're on a file. They might be on my Creative Cloud somewhere. But yes, you can chalk that up to time not getting paid for. That's what it is. But that's part of the design process. That's part of you finding out how to do this, doing correct niche research, not just throwing shit up. You learn that after a while that you attacking these random niches that get 1 to 2 sales a year doesn't make sense for you to make 5, 6 t-shirts. Doesn't really make sense for you to make one t-shirt. Um, attack competitive niches. Make new stuff that's not out there. It's great to do design research and get inspiration, but you kind of twisting the design that's already out there, uh, yeah, it might work. You might get a couple sales, but make something original. That's attacking that niche. So it gets recommended to buyers. You think Amazon doesn't realize when it's like unicorn birthday, uh, turning 3, unicorn birthday turning 4, unicorn birthday turning 5. All right, be original. Uh, this is a hard truth. This is a hard pill to swallow. I know some people are going to be sitting back there hitting the thumbs down button, getting butt hurt. But I think the merch community needs more people like telling it like it is. I'm gonna show you. I always have from the start. April is like we're in the lull of sales. I have sales data along with few others to show you this. Okay, so April 2016. So we can't really use this year because this was a build up. Merch was People are gonna say, well, merch was in its infancy. There was low competition. Yeah, you're goddamn right. The money was good and it was easy because there was not a lot of competition. Now there is. The marketplace is changing. You have to adapt. You have to be more competitive. Keep in mind, I haven't uploaded a design since November of 2017. All right. In 2017, I was really attacking competitive niches, stuff that I thought would last for a while. Now, April 2017, one of my lowest months of this year, along with September. Look, all right. So that's last year. December was really bad too. This was like a shutdown. April 2018, February, March, all slow, all right? All slow months after Christmas. Same goes into some of the summer months. It's gonna get slower. Now, slow month, slow month, slow month. Is this normal? Yes, this is normal. Is it are the royalties different? Yes, because now we have returns. So I do lose a little bit to that. Um, but all in all, for not doing new designs, for competition increasing, I'm still happy with this. Merch isn't dead. Merch is doing good. If you're in the right niches and you're putting the work in and you're driving traffic, you're gonna have to spend some money, a little bit of money up front trying to get sales. It's gonna, the marketplace is evolving. It's getting different. Uh, I don't know how else to say it. Is it easy? No, it's not easy. Merch is not a get rich quick thing. Don't expect to make a lot of money off of merch by Amazon. Is it a great side hustle? Yes. Should you get started today? Yeah. Why not? 25 shirts to upload or 10, whatever you start out with, make them really freaking good. Have someone help you. Attack popular niches. Make 10 awesome shirts and drive a fuckload of traffic to them using AMS. You're going to get one that you can get consistent sales with and get reviews. And if you don't, restart the process. After a couple months, keep designing, recycle, find some place to sell your designs to in the meantime. I don't know. Or start loading them up. Um, but you have to take action somehow. You know what I mean? You can't just make excuses. So don't make excuses. No one feels sorry for you. No one people that are feeling sorry for you, they're not successful. So don't fall into that trap. Be positive, keep working, keep building your stuff, get your merch built out. Once you're to a spot like that, go work on something else. This is a great side passive thing after you put in the work. It's not going to get you rich, but it's good. All right. Um, I mean, this changed my life and gave me uh I I'm telling you, I worked really hard, but it gave me the inspiration that this is the first time I really like made some real money off of like using my own time, this and eBay. So small wins are sometimes really good for you because then it opens you up into how can I do more? How can I grow myself more? How can I grow, like reach new things? What new things can I start? Stuff like that. All right. So I know this is a long rant, but I think it was needed and kind of gives you an update on what's happening. And yeah, leave me your comments below. I'm sure there's going to be some really fun ones. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, join the public, our Facebook and Discord groups down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.